So, do you have any experience with using recipe?
Yes.
Okay, where did you find the recipe?
Internet.
Internet.
Yeah.
Can you give an example? What kind of things you cook with recipe before?
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu?
Yep.
Okay, great. So here are some food pictures with some kind of like ingredients at the back. If you confuse with like what kind of food it is, you can take a look of the ingredients. You can roughly scan what kind of foods showing here, and then you can categorize them with your own way.
How many categories you want me to put in?
Whatever. And then you can write the categories name, for example, like dessert, main course, something like that. On the top, stick on the top, and then place whichever foods that belong that category underneath. Yeah, you may need to scan all the foods first, and then have a have a direction or what kind of like categories are there.
So I need to write down the
Categories name on the top, and then arrange the foods underneath,
okay.
which is belong to the categories you create.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank God I have my lunch already.
So if you have like any confusion about what kind of food is it, you can take a look at the ingredients on the back or ask me.
So high tech. It's a breakfast. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, you can do it. Okay, that's it. You usually make, or you make most.
I have to make it. I cannot buy it like the favorite dish.
Yeah. You have to make it.
I have to make it.
Anything. Anything.
Really?
Yeah, as long as you use pot and like.
Instant noodle?
Yeah, sure.
Great.
So what kind of things you add inside the instant noodle?
Egg or vegetables.
Okay. can you write down your steps and your things,
Really?
the materials that you need for cooking a pot of instant noodle?
The steps.
Yeah,
Like the
steps
recipe?
and then yeah, you just need to write down the step. And you may need to highlight the materials you use. Yeah. For several eggs and highlight. Yeah.
Wonder is the ingredient. Whoa.
When
I don't check.
egg.
Oh, right. That's it, right?
Yeah. That's it.
Close the stove. Remember.
Okay. Um. So like, let me ask you a question. Like, if you want to replace or substitute any things inside this meal to be more healthier, what kind of things do you want to substitute
Noodles.
with? Okay, noodle. So you will substitute with what kind of noodle?
Something not packaged fast.
Like be fresh.
Yeah, fresh made. No, still, it's not easy.
How many eggs you add?
One.
Okay. Sure. Oh, how about like those like powder thing? Did you add them?
Yes. Afterwards, after you close the stove and
Oh,
they
okay.
will somehow.
Can you write them?
Well,
Yeah.
big.
Yes. So if you want to make the dish more healthy, are you gonna add them or you still keep it?
I should replace it for something else, I guess.
What kind of things you replace with the taste?
Those, I don't know. Not adding. I don't know. I'm not a healthy people. Oh, okay, salt. Okay. Maybe just salt and I don't know.
Okay. Sure.
Something sticking over here.
Okay. Oh. So next, so we wanna design something like design recipe page for you guys, right? But we really want to know what's a recipe page in your brain. So if I give you a pen, and then we giving a food, which is a pumpkin pie, right? And then there's some kind of like you should have like ingredient and directions, which is put right for the user, right? And how can you design a page for pumpkin pie? Like design a recipe page for pumpkin pie.
Even if it's for yourself, like how do you see a recipe should be?
Yeah.
There should be steps,
Just
ingredients.
store it like
Where?
here.
Here?
Yeah.
That's huge.
Just store it like whatever you want. Like you think what like how the recipe page looks like in your brain.
Or you can use the piece of paper.
Okay.
And then you can use the stickers.
So like
Should I see this stuff or not?
Yeah.
That's for your reference. Because in case you don't know what pumpkin pie is
No,
like,
it's-
we
yeah,
provided
this is
stuff.
the pumpkin pie directions, stuff like that. But you don't need to write those steps. If you want to use it, just stick. Oh, here you go. You know what I mean? I think you should draw it here. It's more big. Yeah, you can draw it like it's a website.
It's a website.
Yeah, you can like draw a rectangle here, whatever, like how big you want to be, and then how it looks like.
Alright. Yeah. So that's the thing. The pie already done. And then ingredient. I don't know, just put the things in. Also pictures because sometimes I buy something wrong. So so I would like to see a picture of the ingredients.
Okay, maybe like pictures, right? Image, and then words,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I don't know what kind of ingredient you have.
Okay,
So-
sure.
So, and then steps, I also want to see some of the, if there's some important steps that is for no experienced people, I
Mhm.
would like to see something that is showing me how to do it.
Mm-hmm.
But I
Sure.
don't know, not every step, I guess.
Image for the step.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this is a description of the steps.
Mm-hmm.
And step 2, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, same thing here, right?
Yeah, and then something you need to, something important points, like you cannot break or something, or you cannot, some notes also.
Do you want to see any
Feedback from other people.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, afterwards you can just get a page or something, but okay.
Come on.
What is that called?
Come on.
Comment.
Okay. So, okay, here you go. If you take a look of the ingredients, and then if you want to make it healthier, what kind of things you want to substitute or delete, like cancel it, like don't use it at all, maybe, or modify it, like instead of like 2, you use 1, something like that. Yeah.
So everything, like every ingredient I think it
Yeah.
should be changed.
Yeah.
再给你飞一个。
The condensed milk. Maybe we change to regular milk or cream. Pumpkin spice. Just did it. It was to 1.